Welcome to part 3, and now we're gonna cover the sword and shield. Sword and shield uses the exact same anime blueprint as the sword and gun like I mentioned. So we're gonna jump right into the ability montages. Now for light attacks from protector pack 011, 012, 013, 014. For the dodges, the same as the twin blades, no changes. The hold attack also the same as twin blade. The specials, we're using the same one as I showed you in the last video. 041, 042, 043. Normal hits from twin blades. The knock hit, same thing. Large hits, also the same. Ragdoll push, same. Ragdoll knock up, also the same. You can see that most of these things are just duplicating of data asset. That's why they remain. We also use most of the hit reactions from the twin blades. So that's something to keep in mind. Except for block, of course, because block only existed on protector. Riposte, same thing. Equip from protector this time. Unequip from twin blades again. Normal death, we're using this one. Make sure you loop at the end. Grab death, you don't have to worry about this. Block start ability, which I showed on the last video. Same thing, no changes. Block end exists. Normal block, we covered this one. Counter attack, defense break, large reaction. Assassination ability was something I showed you. I'm gonna cover this again. Assassination is what happens if you stand behind an enemy that is not in combat and you simply click left mouse button. Now I'm gonna cover this. You will have the file as well. All the files that you saw already existed for you. So for the conditions for this to run is I'm firing a line trace, and if it hits an enemy or an actor, I'm checking if the actor is a character. If it's a character, I'm getting its state. So I'm getting the state of assassinated. If state assassinated existed in the enemy or the target data asset, which you can see me doing it here, and I'm right behind him, and he's not in combat. Sorry, I'm in combat, and I have an equipped weapon, and the assassinated state for the target can actually be performed, then proceed. Now, how does the animation work? Animations, you'll take this one from here, which is the ambush. And this animation, when that is triggered, we're gonna get the assassinated state for the target and perform it right away. We're not gonna check the condition because we already checked it here. So once that is done, we're using something called a syncing object. Now, if you open the syncing object, it's just a math that will move both of you in line with each other. One of you is looking at the other's back, and you can finally assassinate him. So assassination syncing object will give you the player and make the AI in front of you so you can assassinate him from the back. Once you create that, you're gonna have to tick it. So tick the syncing object as long as assassination is active. And then disable lock on if you have anything locked on. Now for the assassinated part, you're gonna have to be very careful here. Assassinated, if you check the where is it? Yeah, we were using random mob. So random mob had its own data asset which had assassinated state. If you open this up, you're gonna see that this one is using the assassinated ability. And assassinated ability is taking its montage from the data asset. So if you open this up, it's gonna be at the end. There you go. That's how you set up the montages. That, or there's a different method which we can see on the greatsword, which uses the grab from the greatsword and the grab from Genichiro. I'm gonna show you both when we go down to the AI part. But that's how you set up assassination in a nutshell. So if you go back to sword and shield, assassination is done this way. Heal ability, well, the same as ever. But also keep in mind that we're using stamina for sword and shield, so that's how you add stamina. And these are the values. In the next video, we're gonna cover the final weapon, which is the katana, so see you in the next one.